For as long as there's been a Conclave, there have been Sprites. Small cars, big grins, driven hard, fixed in parking lots, and always surrounded by friends. Sprites were never about horsepower. They were about participation. You didn't need the biggest engine, just the willingness to show up and drive. Over the years, they've come in every form. Concours restorations, race prep cars, daily drivers, projects that weren't quite finished, but made the trip anyway. Every single one belonged. Conclave has never been about perfection. It's about stories shared around open bonnets, about help authored without being asked, about learning as you go. If you've ever wondered whether your Sprite was enough, it always has been. This year, we celebrate 50 years of Conclave, and we're looking forward to the next generation of owners, the next road trips, the next memories. If you own a Sprite, stock or modified, pristine or imperfect, we want you there. Bring the car, bring the stories. Sprites have always been part of Conclave. Let's make sure they always are.